Hello, and welcome back to the Veritas Education channel. My name is Liz, and this is episode 2 of our writing style series, How Bad Writers Write Well. Today, we're going to be discussing the keys to persuasive writing. Persuasive writing is entirely audience-focused. This means that your goal is to get your audience to agree with you. This means that you need to know your audience very well. Usually, when people think of persuasive writing, they think first of commercials and politicians. This makes sense because you are ultimately selling a product, whether that is your presidency or a brand of shampoo. But persuasive writing exists quite often in other areas as well, such as policymaking, opinion pieces in newspapers, arguments in essays, and something everyone needs, cover letters for jobs. There are a few keys in persuasive writing that you need to remember. First, you must establish trust with your audience. There are a few ways to do this, but they boil down to these two. You can establish yourself as an expert authority, and you can connect with the audience emotionally. Sometimes you need to do one more than the other, but they are both important. 2, you must understand your audience's goal. What did they want? Why did they want it? And how can you fit those needs? Your goal is to make the audience believe that you will fit their goal. 3, use the correct rhetoric. So this is your language choices and your tone. Nothing you say will matter if you say it in the wrong tone or use language that doesn't fit the moment. Cater directly to the situation. Ultimately, you need to know who your audience is and what they want. Then you show them that you are what they want. If you can master these keys, you will be a master of persuasion. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time when we discuss narrative writing. Bye-bye.